Yo, we on this crowded ass train in France, you know. Me, Marv, Rell. I mean, like.
Marv, turn around, Marv.
So, you know, we're originally from America. This is our first week in Paris and shit, and our last day and shit. So, right now, what we did was, we took advantage and we did our own shit. So we got on this train and all that, you feel me, like, you know.
We don't know these people.
We don't know these people. We by ourselves, like, there's no tour guides or nothing.
No teachers, no nothing. This is
So
3 17-year-old boys like chilling in Paris, another continent.
Rolling dolo and shit. So I'm saying, like, I'm about to go splurge and shit. Like, we about to go to Galleria Lafayette. You know what I mean? You know, we about to go off for buying shit. You feel me? Like, you know, we dropping bread and shit. So we on this hot ass train. You know, we ain't gonna get lost because we know what the fuck we doing. You feel me? Like it's comprehension. You just look at the, you know, you gotta know how to speak French. You feel me? Like simple shit.
Like we did. Oh, I had it upside down. Like we did taking the 4 to Châtelet, and switching to the 7 to Upper Ave. You know why? Because we going to Galleria Lafayette. Because I'm a hamburger. So this is what happens when it's a back train in Paris. So yeah, we're gonna get some hamburgers, you know, get some Gucci. They got the most expensive shit in that Galleria Mall, like on some real dumb shit, like I can't even afford this shit, like. But this guy, this nigga right here, lucky as hell, like he got that shit, bro. So you know,
like yo, tomorrow we out. Out and over.
Alright.